Today we're making coconut raspberry muffins, and we are using Amoretti's coconut cream artisan and some raspberry swirl. So I'm going to mix some sugar and some eggs. Whip these guys up. Okay, now I'm going to add the coconut oil. So we're going to alternate with dry ingredients. So I will alternate some cake flour, some coconut milk, a little bit of coconut flour, and now this beautiful artisan. I'm going to scrape the bowl a couple of times. You don't want it to be tough. You want the batter to be nice and delicate. Now we'll put it into the muffin tins, make the hole, and add the raspberries. And then I'm going to top it with what's in the bag and scrape it a little bit so that it smooths the top. The white sugar is going to get sprinkled on there right now. Okay, here we go. Straight out. Done!